Tony Light, MP, he is the chair of the Parliamentary Party of the Labour Party. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. For me, it's a great joy to be here with you this evening. I know of this, of the work of the International Lads Association. I know about this, this celebration over many years. I've been able to support the association in bringing in people into this country to be with you on this occasion over the years. So for me to be here, to see so many people taking part in this important celebration, I think is something wonderful for me to join in. I'm also delighted as well to say to you, of course, that I know the whole meaning of what's taking place today is about what is best in Islam, best in us as human beings under Allah, under God. And I'm very proud to be amongst you for this, where every one of you is concentrating on the very best things in humanity, the best things that we can give to each other, the love that exists between us all. So it's a real, as I say once again, a real joy to be with you, a real pleasure to see so many of you joined here today. My regret always, of course, is that I understand far less of what takes place than all of you, that I can only join in partly. It's like being somebody with poor hearing when everyone else can hear properly. I can only make a little sense of what takes place, but I do know that I can understand the strong feelings and the strength of the love that's communicated this evening. So thank you very much for listening to my words, and please, every one of you, get great joy from the events this evening. Thank you.
It is a great Ya Rasulullah. It is a great pleasure that the government and the local community is also with us, and we have, ये हमारे प्यारे महबूब पाक मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तालीमात हैं कि आप अपने पड़ोसियों को, चाहे वो नॉन मुस्लिम ही हो, उनके साथ अच्छा सलूक करें। और ये उम्दा सलूक करने की वजह से बरतानिया में हम मुसलमान अपनी आज़ादी के साथ महाफिल नात और अपनी दीनी मजालिस कर रहे हैं। हम इनके शुक्र